Welcome, here I've got VIVO X60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left, and as you can see here we have button with framing lines, so these are our grid lines. By just one tap we can turn them on, another tap to turn them off. So now let me keep it turned on, and as you can see here in the preview we have these lines now. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when we go to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to the right corner button and tap to framing lines to turn them off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.